Hello and welcome to the official launch of the 2023 Microsoft Southeast Asia New Markets Imagine Cup Regional Competition. My name is Fahad Farooq and I'm really thrilled to be your host today as we have a lot of exciting things lined up for you. The Imagine Cup is the premier global student technology competition that offers students around the world an opportunity to unleash their passion and purpose to develop inspiring leading-edge technology solutions that could make a difference in the world. Through the Imagine Cup Southeast Asia New Markets Regional Competition, students will have the chance to earn 4 seats at the Imagine Cup World Finals taking place next year. To give you a more detailed introduction as to what the Imagine Cup is all about, I would like to invite the Global Director of the Microsoft Imagine Cup, Pablo Veramendi.
Hello, my name is Pablo Veramendi. I am the Global Director for the Microsoft Imagine Cup Student Developer Competition, and I'm thrilled to welcome each and every one of you to the Southeast Asia New Markets Regional Final. This is an incredible opportunity for you to bring your ideas to life using the power of Microsoft Azure and forming teams and thinking of what you want to change your communities and what change you want to bring using technologies, being that force for social good. We have $100,000 in prizing for the World Championship winning team. We have a ton of other opportunities in prizing for you this year. And one of the things I'm most excited about is that we partnered with our friends at the Microsoft for Startups, and we have membership in the Founders Hub, in the Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub, for teams that move on to their World Finals. This means you get additional supports, including Azure credits, and additional supports to bring your idea to life after the Imagine Cup. As you all know, the Imagine Cup has been going on. This is the 21st year, and students just like you have been exactly where you are today, hearing about the Imagine Cup potentially for the first time and wondering if you should participate. The answer is always a resounding yes. All of them get so much out of the competition, regardless of how far they make it down. They get to form a team, they get to come up with an idea and bring that idea to life. All that is stuff that you can put on your resume and will prepare you for your next step into the workforce once you graduate from college. But beyond that, you get to meet incredible people. The team at Microsoft that's running this event, that's helping sponsor this journey for you, your fellow teammates, all the other teams you'll be competing against, and you get to participate in our Discord community. So if you're registered for Imagine Cup at imaginecup.com, you can access Discord from your account page and ask questions, find teammates, and discuss everything and find out everything that's happening in this amazing competition. But ultimately, what you want to do is up to you. Nobody knows your community better than you. Nobody knows the needs of those around you better than you. And so you just have to look at the 4 categories that we have: Earth, Education, Health, and Lifestyle, and think about the ways you want to impact those categories using technology. We've seen all kinds of amazing solutions come from students over the years, from artificial intelligence to prosthetic limbs to education tools that came from a team from Sri Lanka from the Southeast Asia New Market Finals. They made it all the way to the World Championship last year. It was an incredible opportunity for them, and it was amazing to see how far they took their solution and how far they got into the competition. So again, thrilled to have all of you here. I'm excited for you and your journey, whether you're just looking into the Imagine Cup for the first time or whether you're ready to form a team and submit an idea. We're here to support you, so please don't hesitate to find out more on social at MSFT Imagine on Twitter and Instagram. We're at MSFT Imagine Cup. It's at Microsoft Imagine Cup on Instagram, and you can find us on Facebook at Microsoft Imagine Cup. And then again, of course, on Discord, we're all here to support you. So take that chance, take that first step into being a competitor in the Imagine Cup. I know you won't regret it, and we're all here to support you in your journey, and we cannot wait to see what you bring to the competition this year.
Thank you, Pablo, for that great introduction. Next up, we have a very exciting panel discussion featuring a team from Southeast Asia New Markets who competed with hundreds of students around the world to emerge as runners-up at the 2022 Imagine Cup World Final. Please join me in welcoming the amazing Nana Shilpa team from Sri Lanka and Oshadi Pereira, Account Executive at Microsoft Southeast Asia New Markets, who will be moderating the discussion. Over to you, Oshadi.
Earlier this year, we had the super talented Nana Shilpa team from Sri Lanka representing Southeast Asia new markets at the Imagine Cup Championship and brought victory to our region as runners up. They developed a mobile app to screen and refine dyscalculia and dysgraphia learning disabilities in primary school students using localized languages. What a brilliant idea and an impactful solution. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome Nana Shilpa team for this panel discussion here today. We have Kalpani Abhay Singha, software engineer, IFS R&D International Private Limited, Shamil Diluksha, senior software engineer, Cisco Labs Technologies Private Limited, Pamode Maheshani, associate software engineer, Virtusa Private Limited, Prabhat Shalita, associate software engineer, Virtusa Private Limited. Thank you for joining us today, Nana Shilpa. Without further ado, let me start with my very first question. How did your team identify the problem statement and come up with the solution for it? What inspired?
Yes, so the project we completed last year with Imagine Cup was a mobile application to identify dysgraphia and dyscalculia learning disabilities in primary school students. So initially, when we started our research project, final year undergraduate research project, we were we have done a lot of researches and lot of readings. Uh, Regarding different domains. Initially, we were really interested in education and medical domain because we have done previously a similar kind of projects related to the domain. So as we started our initial investigations, so as reading few research papers, discussing with supervisors and meeting people who are interested in this type of domain and the problems, we were really inspired, and we got to know that very limited resources and very limited technology aligned solutions were there for these learning disabilities, and how these students are struggling because of these type of learning disabilities. That itself inspired, and we were really passionate about this particular problem and how we can help these students from the technology wise, and how we can build a solution which is more accessible for many students and parents. I think that's what the main drive, and that's how we were really passionate about this idea, because from this idea, if we were able to build a solution around this problem, then we can help many students and parents and teachers who are struggling with these type of learning disability conditions.
Thank you, Kalpani. So let me throw the next question to the team. What advice or best practices would you like to share with the teams who are planning to compete this year?
Yeah, we would like to say to them, so first of all, you all should be innovative and should have the ability to achieve your goals. So to in the very end, so and as I see, the key point here is the teamwork. So as a team, we were able to come so far, achieving many goals we set. And I can list up some key points we followed, such as set goals and deadlines to every task you need to do, and complete the task by the time, and believe in your team members and respect the ideas of theirs. And finally, when there is a conflicts or discussing it gains and the ability to solve it, and every member of the team has the responsibility to work get done. And at the last, I like to say, believe in yourself, and you can definitely do it, and you all deserve it. Yeah, that's the key points we are following.
Thank you. Thank you, Chamil. Thank you so much for those great inputs. As runners up and being a part of the top three in the world, how was your overall experience at Imagine Cup? And also, share us a little bit of how it changed your life.
I should say it was a great and honored experience to all of us. So, from the beginning, from round to round, we worked very hard, and I must say, everyone gave their best to this. So, as a result of that, we were able to select for the final round as the winner from the Asia region and be the runners up in the World Championship. And also, throughout the competition, we were able to collaborate and meet the fabulous people from the Microsoft community all around the world. So, there we got many valuable feedbacks from them, and so we could sharpen ourselves in most ways. So, after all those things, it was an amazing experience we gained there.
Thank you so much. This is truly inspiring. To my last question, were you using any specific platform to skill yourselves up on the cloud technologies? Please highlight a little bit on this.
Yeah, uh, modern application these days use machine learning and deep learning, those kind of accurate technologies. Also, in our application NanoShilpa, we used machine learning and deep learning for voice and image recognitions. And also, we have used Microsoft Azure machine learning and Microsoft Azure content registry, and the resources are available in Microsoft Learn platform helped us a lot to learn and apply them in our application for a better performance.
Thank you, Prabhat. Thank you for those inputs. Thank you so much, Nana Shilpa team, for joining us today. You have been a true inspiration to Southeast Asia new markets and for all the new talent and also the tech leaders. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kalpani, Chamil, Pamodya, and Prabhat for sharing your experience with us. And thank you, Oshadi, for moderating a very inspiring discussion. I would like to now invite Sukun Chia, General Manager for Microsoft Southeast Asia New Markets, to address all of you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the launch of the 2023 Imagine Cup Southeast Asian New Markets competition. And that's your passport to the Imagine Cup World Final. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. And Imagine Cup is the perfect example of how we empower students like you to think big and to realize your potential to deliver the most innovative solutions to some of the world's biggest societal and environmental challenges. And over the past 20 years, we have witnessed over 2 million students from more than 163 countries come together to build something that matters to them and to make a difference in the community. And so now you have a chance to do the same and be the change maker for your community, your country, and the world. I'm excited to announce that this year's winners will be able to join the Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub program, which allow you to turn your ideas into reality and become an entrepreneur. And don't forget, the winner of the Worldwide Imagine Cup will also get the opportunity to be coached by our CEO, Satya Nadella. So students from the Southeast Asian new markets, bring on your passion, bring on your ideas, bring on your magic. Dream it, build it, live it. See you there.
Thank you, Sukun, for those words of encouragement. We also have the Country Manager for Microsoft Sri Lanka and Maldives, Harshi Randani, and Country Managing Director for Microsoft Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal, MD Yusuf Faruku, who would like to speak a few words.
The Microsoft Imagine Cup is an incredible opportunity for students to participate in a global competition. It allows them to gain new skills, develop their existing skill sets, receive mentorship, win great cash prizes, and collaborate with students who are just passionate about making a difference in the world. Last year, the NanoShilpa team from Sri Lanka brought home a victory as a runners-up at the Imagine Cup World Championship. This milestone achievement benchmarks Sri Lanka as a hub for innovation, filled with so much of talent and potential. It was also a great source of inspiration for the younger generation in Sri Lanka to tap into their entrepreneurial side and innovation for impact. Imagine Cup also highlight local universities that are producing world-class students who are equipped and ready to compete with peers around the world to solve some of the toughest challenges through innovation use of technology. I want to encourage students to join this year's Imagine Cup Championship and use their ingenuity and creativity to build impactful and inclusive solutions that will resolve the world challenges and improve the lives around the world. I wish all the teams best of luck. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really excited to announce yet another Imagine Cup Southeast Asia New Market Regional Competition. It's always inspiring to see the younger generation use technology to give back to their communities, and the Imagine Cup competition is a great way for students like you to keep innovating and create impactful solutions. I've witnessed a growing talent pool of young tech minds in Southeast Asia New Market who are ready to take innovation to the world. Earlier this year, Nepal's very own Aspire emerged as one of the top 10 global winners in Imagine Cup AI for Good Challenge. They built an amazing AI-driven interactive applications to promote accessibility for chemistry lab equipment for individuals with disabilities. Thanks to tech-savvy population, Bangladesh has made its mark as a hub of innovation, bringing over USD 804 million in startup investment since 2013. Last year, we had young innovators from Bangladesh among the top 12 teams in Southeast Asia New Market Imagine Cup who were able to enhance their skills and learn new ones and in turn continue to contribute towards to digital Bangladesh. Bhutan has embraced technology and implemented programs such as Digital Oracle Flagship Program to digitally transform Bhutan into a smart and inclusive society. We're happy to support these national efforts by encouraging more young people to have access to a range of benefits, including training, mentorship from industry experts through the Imagine Cup. I want to invite students to register for this year's competition to sharpen your existing skills and learn new ones to turn your imagination into solutions that make a positive impact to society. Good luck to all the students competing this year. I hope you all bring the Imagine Cup home. Thank you, Harsha and Faruku. And now we have Prabhat Manna Perumal, Partner Technology Strategist at Microsoft, to guide you on the next steps to register for the Imagine Cup competition.
Thank you everyone for joining with us today to celebrate the launch of Imagine Cup 2023 Southeast Asia New Markets Regional Competition. Imagine Cup is where we celebrate student innovations and their power to create the best solutions to change the world for better. Over the past years, we have seen remarkable student projects from Southeast Asia New Markets region using various Microsoft technologies, which has really pushed the boundaries of what we think possible today. This year, we'll be providing access to more trainings, more mentorships, and more learning opportunities to develop your skills. You can go to imaginecup.com and register yourself if you are not already. Once you register, you will have access to our Discord channel, where we have conversations around the competition, where you can meet your future teammates, where you can even build your team, form your team if you don't have one right now. Also, we have our mentors there who can guide you further. We also have a bunch of trainings specifically designed for Imagine Cup competitors. How to come up with an idea, how to bring it to life, how to form a team, and many more areas have been covered throughout those sessions. This is a great opportunity for all of you in Southeast Asian New Markets countries to show the world your creativity and innovation. We're looking forward to seeing your great innovations coming to life with Imagine Cup 2023. So team up, register today on imaginecup.com and submit your idea and become a world champion of Microsoft Premier Annual Student Technology Competition, Imagine Cup. If you have any further questions, any areas we didn't cover throughout this launch event, please feel free to drop an email to iccnewmarket@microsoft.com. You will see the same on the screen. With that, thank you very much and wishing you all the very best with Imagine Cup 2023.
Thank you, Prabhat. With that, we've come to the end of today's event. I hope you are all feeling inspired to tackle some of the world's biggest issues with your creativity. So please don't miss out on this unique opportunity for you to bring your bold ideas to life with technology. Learn new skills through expert mentors, build a network of industry professionals, win exciting prizes, and most importantly, make the world a better place for everyone. We really look forward to receiving your innovative submissions, so go and register now at imaginecup.com. And finally, I would like to wish all the competitors the very best of luck. Thank you very much.